Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about Minimax AI. This is a step-by-step review so you can go ahead and follow and listen closely. Now first things first, before we proceed, you want to head over to the first link at the description box below and it will go ahead and redirect you to the official website right here, which is basically Hailuo AI.video. Right after, we will now be taken to this page right here. Now, what can this AI tool do? This can basically transform your text into videos. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and click on this one. And for this specific video right here, it uses the prompt. It gently brought the rose to its lips, kissing the petals in the blink of an eye. A tender smile graced its lips as it whispered, "I love you." Now from here, it referenced an original image and it transformed that image to this prompt right here. Now let's go ahead and look at another example that we have on this website. Let's go ahead and click on this one. For this one, we have this specific prompt, which is on the edge of an active volcano. Lava erupts as the protagonist runs wildly through the hot flames and boiling ash. As you can go ahead and see, even though this tool is free, it does not compromise on the video output right here. Now to proceed, let's now go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you want to go ahead and log in using your Google account. And right after logging your account, this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and start typing your text right here, and it will go ahead and transform that text into the videos that we have right here. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and type a very simple generic prompt right here, which is an astronaut dancing in the moon. Now, before we proceed, if you go ahead and click on this button, your prompt will be automatically refined into a more detailed description to enhance generation quality. You can also disable this feature to have the model follow your prompt more precisely. In that case, it's recommended to provide a more detailed prompt for optimal results. Now, if you want the best results right here, you can just go ahead and be detailed as much as you can. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and try this very simple prompt that we have right here. And let's go ahead and use this specific feature. Go ahead and click on the create button and you should be good to go. And right after generating the video, this is what it came up with. As you can go ahead and see, this is really high quality for a free text to video tool out there. Now from here, you can go ahead and basically do two things. You can go ahead and download your video, or you can just go ahead and straight up delete it. But once again, as you can see, we have a very simple prompt of an astronaut dancing in the moon. Now once again, you want to head over to the link on the description box below and it will take you to this official website right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thank you.